In this video, through a simple formula, we're going to learn how to solve percentage problems. The percentage formula that we're going to use to solve any percent related problem is part over whole equal percent over 100. Let's go ahead and define the variables in the formula. The whole is the number after the word of. So when you're reading a percentage problem, if there's a word of, or if the word of is presented, the number after it is always the whole. The percent is any other number with the percent sign. That's the percent. If you have any number with the percent sign, that represents the percent in the formula. The part is any other number in the formula. So any other in the formula, any other number in the formula is the part. So the whole is the number after the word of. The percent is any number with the percent sign after it. And any other number in the problem will represent the part. And the percent is always over 100. Now let's go ahead and look at an example or some examples. Let's say we ask to find what percent of 300 is 60. In this problem, first let's go ahead and write down the formula, which is part over whole equal percent over 100. So in this case, we know that if we have a number after the word, directly after the word of, that represents the whole number. So let's go ahead and put that. And if we have any other number without the percent sign, that's the part. So in this case, 60 is the part, 300 is the whole. Now, in this problem, the percent is what's missing. So we're looking for the percent. So now we place all the numbers, we replace all the variables by the numbers. And in this case, the percent is missing. Now let's go ahead and cross multiply and divide. So we're going to cross multiply the 60 and the 100. 60 times 100. And then we're going to cross multiply 300 by the percent. So when we cross multiply 300 times the percent, because the percent is what's missing, equal 60 times 100. Now, since we're looking for the percent, we need to get rid of the 300. So the way we do that, we divide both sides of the equation by 300. So 300 on the left side divided by 300, that's cancel. That's 1. So we're left with the percent. And 60 times 100 is 6,000 over the 300. Now when we divide 6,000 by 300, we get 20%. So the missing variable in the formula is the percent, which is 20%. How do we check to see if we get the right answer? We can check our solution by replacing 20, which is the number we were looking for, the percent. Now once we get the 20, we cross multiply the 300 times 20 and the 60 times 100. So 60 times 100 is 6,000. 300 times 20 is 6,000. If both sides comes out the same, the answer is correct. So we check for the answer. The answer is right. Now let's look at another example. This problem is, what is 25% of 144? Now let's go ahead and ask ourselves, what do we have and what we do not have? In this case, we have a number with the percent sign. And we have a number after the word of. So we have the percent and we have the whole number. So let's write down a formula, part over whole equal percent over 100. The part is, that's what we're looking for, because we don't have the part, but we have the whole number, which is 144, and we have the percent, which is 25% over 100 always. Now next step is to cross multiply and divide. 144 times 25% and the part time 100. So part multiplied by 100 equal 144 times 25. So in this case, we need to get rid of the 100 on the left side of the equation. So we're going to divide both sides by 100. So 144 times 25 is 3,600. We divide that by 100. 100 divided by 100 on the left side is 1. So we only left with the part. 3,600 divided by 100 is 36. So in this case, the part, which was the missing variable on the equation, is 36. How do you check to see if you get the right answer? Just go into the formula, replace the part by the answer that you got from the previous slide, which is 36. So let's go ahead and place 36 as the part, and now we're gonna cross multiply. So 36 that's the answer we got for the part. 36, 144 times 25 and 36 times 100, that's cross multiplying. 36 times 100 equal 144 times 25. If both sides come out the same, therefore our answer is check and is correct. 36 times 100 is 3,600. 144 times 25 is 3,600. As a result, our answer for the part is 36, and that's correct. Another example, 60 is 80% of what number? Now ask yourself those questions. What do you have? What variable do you have? And what variable you do not have? In this case, you have 80%, you have the percent, and after the word of, we don't have a number. So therefore we're looking for the whole number. So 60 will be the part. So 60, the part, divided by the whole number, which is missing, equal 80% over 100. Now we're going to cross multiply and divide. 60 over the whole number, which is missing, equal 80% over 100. Now next is to cross multiply. 60 times 100, the whole number times 80. So 80% times the whole number equals 60 times 100. Now we divide both sides by 80. So 80 is canceled on the left. So 60 times 100 is 6,000 divided by 80, which is 75. So the whole number is 75, which means that 80%, 60 is 80% of 75. So if the actual was 80% of 75, in this case it's 60. These three questions is to test to see if you really understand the video and the formula and the strategy that we use, which is a really simple strategy to solve any percent problem. Go ahead and solve this problem and comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so and hit the bell for notification when I post another video. Thank you.